Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is going to take up the rest of the battery, so if it cuts off, you know that's the end. But I'm working on this real fast. These are the compressors that are inside the AC unit. Let's see if I can get this thing out without smashing my fingers. I wanted to show you all this because that's all steel. This is all steel. You could use these as pressing, but I just got to figure out how to get that out of there. I think that just slides out, maybe. Don't know. But I'll take a hammer to it. But as you can see, there's the copper. And it's pretty good size. But I don't know. Like I said, I've never taken one of these apart. So I don't have a clue how this part comes out. Well, there has to be a way to get to it. Don't know. Yeah, you might want to turn down the sound a little bit. Might need a crowbar. Let's see what tire iron will do. If anything, I doubt it. It might. Don't know, never tried. Let's see. Let's use this one. Maybe this one will get under there and pop it up. I don't know. You figured it'd just slide right out. But I haven't turned it upside down yet, because there is no oil in there. I've emptied out, well, most of the oil I've emptied out. So I don't see no lock ring or anything. I might even have to cut it again right below that box. But don't know. Don't know. And I'm doing all this with one hand because I'm holding. I'm holding the camera. So I'll probably have to cut it again right below here. Find where it is and cut it right below it and take it off that way. Unfortunately, it took me a whole grinding disc to get through that. I think I bought the wrong grinding discs. So, and I think I had just had my finger over the mic. Oh, don't I suck at being a cameraman. But I don't know. I've never had one of these out before. But I wanted to see what was inside of it. Yeah. To give the scrap yards the notion of giving 5 cents a pound instead of regular scrap for it. And now I know why. Because of the copper. Did not know that. So, but I'm going to go ahead and, since this is going to take a while to figure out, I'm going to go ahead and just, ow, just go ahead and end the video before I hurt myself on camera and then get a strike. Yeah, I just hit my head on the wood right there. No, it didn't knock any sense into me. Because if it did, I wouldn't be in this state. So, but yeah, but that's where I'm at now. When I figure out how to get this thing loose, I'll let you know. Who knows? It might just pop off as soon as I turn the camera off, knowing my luck. But I'm just going to sit here and try on it because it's not welded. It looks like it's just slid in there. That's why I'm thinking about going ahead and cutting it just below where these points are so it'll slide off. I don't know. Don't know. Too many decisions. So, yeah. So that's what we'll do right now, is just do all this and we'll keep going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video to see what I was working on now. But this is where I'm at now, so I'll keep you up to date. Maybe when I get it out of there, I'll actually show you what's actually in there. So, as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace, and no, I'm not going to be doing another video because I'm almost dead on my battery now. So, take it easy, and like I always say, oh, hell with it. Have a happy 4th of July, people. Don't be like me. Go out and have some fun and not do stuff that makes you tired and hurt. Later, Gators.